Hello my beautiful souls! Welcome po sa ating tarot reading session. So keep in mind, general reading po ito, maring mag-resonate, maring hindi. Kunin nyo na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maring mag-shift ang energies or magkabaliktad ang sitwasyon, kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar sa reading natin. So let's see. So we have here the Seven of Wands, Nine of Cups, the Magician. Ooh. And the Wheel of Fortune. Wow. We also have here the Sun, the happiest card in the deck, Leo energy, and this one is the Queen of Swords, Ten of Pentacles. Ooh. And the Page of Cups. Wow. So, if you're waiting for love, so parang marami dito yung parang single pero hindi pa ready tumanggap ng new love kasi parang na-paranoid siya dun sa past or defensive pa siya or kumbaga hindi pa siya ready magpapasok ng someone new. Pero itong taong ito ay talagang bubusugin kanya ng gifts and very caring, talagang generous. We have the Knight of Cups sa bottom card. Okay, very promising ang energy nitong taong ito na parang sinasabi niya na willing ako ibigay lahat, willing ako gawin lahat, 'di ba bongga? Sana all. So ayun, tingnan natin sa message ng Archangel. So nag-lift agad tong isa. Wow! Brilliant idea by Archangel Uriel. Yes, your idea is divinely guided. Please take action to bring your idea to fruition. So, itong mga pinaplano mo, go for it. So, maaaring ito ay go signal for you to go for it. Okay, so ituloy mo daw itong mga plano mo and this is a brilliant idea. So, tingnan natin sa ating signs and symbol cards. So, we have here playing cards. So, kumbaga kasi parang na-trauma ka doon sa past na pinaglaruan ka lang or hindi naging seryoso sa buhay at naging parang ito with this dull energy, parang hindi nagpakatotoo sa'yo, plastic, ganun. Parang, 'di ba, yung mga Barbie is plastic, made of plastic, but it's not fantastic. 'Di ba? Kasi yung mga tao hindi nagpakatotoo, parang ang dami nilang kasinungalingan sa buhay or pinaniwala ka nila sa mga walang katotohanang bagay, very manipulative, and deceptive person. We have here the snail. So, medyo mabagal lang itong energy ng coming in person pero kumbaga, it's slowly but surely. We have here the knife kasi masyado ka nasaktan sa iyong past kaya parang nagkaroon ka ng trauma. So, we have here the clover pero sinasabi ito na you're lucky kasi eto may kapalit siya na parang too good to be true pero totoo. Wow. So, yung bottom card is the bell. So, maaaring itong taon to is pasasabugin niya yung notification mo sa social media once na in-accept mo siya as a friend or i-add ka niya sa social media. So, talaga lagi siya magla-like, consistent. Like, comment, pati i-share pa niya. 'Di ba? So, ayan, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Ganun. Vlogger pala. Ayun, so, tingnan natin sa ating The Hidden Truth Oracle card. So, I'm afraid to contact you. So una, matatakot siya na kontakin ka kasi parang mai-intimidate siya sa'yo. So, I wish I could take back my word. So, nung una pa rin, parang may mga nasabi siyang hindi maganda. And I know I was a distraction from your pain. It's time for me to heal now. Kasi yun in the process ka ng healing, nag-heal ka pa from the past. Pero, in this journey ng healing process mo, biglang pumasok tong taong ito. Ayan. And we also have here, I feel you leaving me behind. Just being near you is intoxicating. I want you. And you don't know how hard it was to let you go. So, itong past mo naman, parang magpapalipad hangin din siya or magpaparamdam sa'yo, 'no? Parang ano din siya, defensive siya dito na parang pinapakita niya na nahihirapan din daw siya sa hiwalayan niyo, ek-ek, gano'n. Yung bottom card, the timing just wasn't right for us. So, itong new person mo naman, so parang nakilala mo na din siya noon na parang ano lang, ta's hindi hindi maganda yung first meeting niyong dalawa and then ngayon nagtagpo ulit kayo, puwedeng gano'n. So, tingnan natin sa ating tarot messages, oracle cards. Guarded and wounded. So, ito ka pa eh. Kaya parang hindi mo pa siya kayang papasukin sa buhay mo. Kasi guarded and wounded ka pa. You know, undecided ka pa about this person na nag-o-offer ng cup of love. I'm patiently waiting. So, maghihintay daw siya. Oo, di ba? I'm a liar. Biglang I'm a liar. I watch you from afar. For some of you, long distance connection din tong new person, ah. I love your humor, kaya parang nag-aalangan ka kasi long distance, mahirap yun. You're my destiny. I hate my pride and ego. And yung bottom card, you're the fairest of them all. Pero sinasabi niya rito na wala nang mas higit sa'yo, ikaw lang. You're the apple of the eye of this person. So, yun, tingnan nga natin sa initials to. XP B and letter I M V G R Z. Okay, sino naka-bingo? H ang bottom card. So, tingnan natin sa ating blue card. We have here marriage. So, gusto kanyang pakasalan. Prophecy, kung nakasaad sa prophecy, mangyayari. And confessions. So, tingnan natin sa ating general signs and the messages. Okay, we have here animal lover. Number 9. Full of charisma. Capricorn and Cold City. Hilarious. Rainy season. Number 4. Beach and weird. Leo sign. Amazing. And Mindanao. Oh, layo. Pisces, very loyal, si Virgo. And Taurus, quiet person, gorgeous, fantastic friend, popular, vlogger nga, popular daw, a popular person, uy, need more signs, last na sana tong tatlo, need more signs pa, okay, province and sweet, so kuha pa tayo ng last 3 na lang, last 3. We have here crazy for you. Mari ma-obsessed to. June. And last one is August. Mari mga special months or nagkakilala kayo ng August or June. Ayan. So, ayan ang ating reading, my beautiful souls. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.